really fun project, and
We hope that we get more.
more opportunities like this to do it again.
I would love to work again and do more. So it's more interesting than reading on a board or reading from a book. So I would rather do
Practical
it
is better.
experiencing practically. Physically is way better, and I've done better from it.
Yeah.
And then more is that there are 85 stations in Riyadh, and there are 6 lines. And then every line's in different colors. They have different colors for every lines, and all the buses are according to the colors of the line.